Let's do the bowling alley secret on Liberty Falls Black Ops 6. When you spawn, simply head back on yourself underneath the gas station. Then, looking through this little window here, you'll find some sneakers on the table, on the counter. Just shoot them, they'll pop, and we'll do the same a couple more times. Head north all the way through the gate that you'll have to purchase, all the way down to the comic store, and opposite the comic store you'll find Frank's Hardware. Inside of here, on one of the shelves to the right, you'll find, about midway up, the second pair of sneakers hidden in the dark. Then head past behind the comic shop, all the way up, almost to the cemetery, and on the right you'll find stairs that lead up towards a cozy little house. To the far right, underneath a small couch, you'll find yet another pair of sneakers. Shoot them, they'll explode, and make your way up into the cemetery all the way to the very top, and straight in front of you, almost straight west, next to the armor pack, you'll find a pair of sneakers hanging from the tree. Shoot them, they'll pop, and finally make your way all the way down towards the bowling alley from the church, and to the left, or rather north of the bowling alley, you'll find the Benson Burial Services. Inside of him, to the far left, all the way just underneath the painting, is the last pair of sneakers. Once you pop these, you'll be teleported all the way into the bowling alley, and madness ensues. You'll be able to bowl balls with your friends, kill a bunch of zombies, and actually play. It's pretty fun. Anyways, that's about it for this super quick Easter egg guide. Hopefully you enjoy showing your friends. Thank you for watching. My name's me, Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.